Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Rehan Wazir and I am a student of Rehan High School, Islamabad, a foundation level student. So today my fifth today's talk, my topic is Power of a Single Decision by Zara Noor Abbas. Today I am going to review the inspiring today's talk called Power of a Single Decision by Zara Noor Abbas. In this powerful talk, Zara Noor Abbas explain how one small decision can completely change a person's life. She shares her personal experience and motivates people to trust themselves and take brave steps in difficult moments. The main message of this today's talk is that every successful journey begins with a single decision. Sometimes people are afraid of failures, criticisms, or uncriticality, so they avoid making important choices. However, Zara Nur Abbas reminds us that growth only happens when we take risk and move forward with courage. One thing I really liked about this talk was her confidence and honesty. She spoke in a very natural and emotionally way, which made the evidence feel connected to her story. Her example showed that even successful people face fear and confusion, but their discussion shaped their futures. Another important point she discussed was self-belief. She encouraged by young people to stop doubting themselves and start believing in their abilities. According to her, even one positive decision like following your vision, continuing your education, or standing up for yourself can create a huge different in your life. This today's talk is very inspiring for students and young people because many of us stage while making discussion about our future. Zara Noor Abbas teaches us that no decision is perfect, but taking action is better than doing nothing. In many opinions, this talk delivers a very strong and motivational message. It teaches us to be brave, confident, and responsible for our choice. I learned that success does not come from luck alone. I come from the decision we make every day. To conclude, power of a single decision is inspiring and meaningful TEDx talk that encourages everyone to trust themselves and never for pure change. I would highly recommend this talk to anyone who wants to motivate and confidence in life. Thank you for this watching Pakistan Zindabad.